Okay, my name is Marley Whistler, and I am a preparator here at the Fort Worth Modern Art Museum. I am one part of the team. I've been here over 10 years, but everyone else has been here exponentially longer. This piece I'm working on right now is a Julie Bozzi. It's the first time this piece has been installed in this museum. It was installed at the old museum, so it's kind of getting a refreshed kind of look, really just because it's never been shown here. For this, you can see that we've kind of spaced it all out evenly, and we just have used the blue tape to kind of give our curators and the artist an idea of what it's gonna feel like when it's all up. I guess what I kind of like to talk about sometimes when it comes to art handling stuff is the most helpful art handler really is the guy or girl that's thinking about what needs to happen next. Whether that's, getting hardware, ready to go so when I start hanging these, or if it's with a huge piece where we have to, take the crate apart and gather up the screws for the crate lid and all that kind of stuff. It's thinking about what the next step is. And I think you'll find that most museums probably work pretty much the same way. But it does have a lot to do with personalities, so it's nice when everybody can be open and communicate. I think that's really important. So like I said, this piece I think people are going to really enjoy. It's the first time it's been shown in this building, and it's a very kind of interactive piece. A lot of things that we're putting up right now I think will feel familiar. There's definitely some new things that people probably haven't seen. So that's what's nice is we have so much great stuff. There's always things that people haven't seen. So I think you'll enjoy it.